Meccanoplastica is specialized in blow molding technologies, extrusion blow molding, injection blow molding. Today, manufacturers are under pressure to improve safety, reduce energy consumption, and make machines more intuitive. Attention to details is becoming more and more important, considering we are competing in a mature market where technology is available for everyone. The plastic industry is evolving fast, and the customers are more and more demanding in terms of having reliable, performing, complete, and easy-to-use solutions. B&R's integrated automation platform gives us everything we need: control, safety, usability, and performance all in one system.
This machine is a full electric double-station extrusion blow molding machine designed for packaging in cosmetic, food, pharma and industrial sector in general. It is a high-speed, high-precision performance machine with 12 tons of clamping force that supports container up to 5 liters. We designed a 2-axis electrical takeout system with integrated slick tester, and Parison cutting devices and bobbing are now completely servo actuated, and we added a control of DC motor to adjust the blow pin cutting via X20 system. Optimized electrical cabinet with decentralized I/O out of the cabinet, relying on the X67 portfolio. Compliance with all safety standards is achieved thanks to integrated safety and safe motion functionality, allowing safe speed control and movement with open machine doors. B&R APC 3100 control hardware with hypervisor technology is the unique controller for the full machine. We renewed the HMI, installing a 21.5 inches AP5000 with swing arm, mounting and vertical layout for simpler operation of the machine. Machine software UE is completely renewed. We developed it using mapp technology, which is a web-based technology, and we included a new Parison control. The result is a modern HMI that improves machine usability and user experience.
We base our relationships with customers on a win-win approach of active listening to improve our machines. The way players perform is what sets them apart. B&R understands our challenges, and the complete solution supports our goals for smarter, safer, and more sustainable machines.